This is Team Yantrak, and this is a design of Durga-yantrak safety alarm, and we have designed for women's safety on all the public transport. So here it's just scaled down version of a bus. So we have considered this as a bus. Inside the bus, these are the switches to be installed inside the bus. So if any female, if she feels that she is not comfortable, so she need to switch on any one of these switches that will be installed in every alternate seat of the bus. This is the power source from where all the circuit is getting the power. This is the emergency light and alarm to be installed on the roof of the bus, and this is alarm and the light which will be inside the bus. Here we have the control system where everything will get controlled. It's kept in the box. So inside this there is a microcontroller and all the circuits. This is a display system that will be kept in front of the driver, and if any switch is on, the corresponding light will get on, and the driver will see exactly where the person needs help, and he can directly get the bus side of the road and directly go to the specified switch, and he can help. I'll explain you the exact cross section in the bus where all the parts will be kept. So this battery will be one separate unit of this system that will be kept hidden inside somewhere in the bus. So apart from the installer, no one knows where is the power source. So in case any that kind of emergency, no one will be in condition to switch the system off, switch the power system off. These two will be inside of the bus where everyone can see the emergency light and this alarm. This thing will be kept on the top, so if any person who sees from outside, he will be in condition to ask the bus driver or the conductor to pull the bus aside. So this is for the public. So if anyone sees the emergency light, or just listen the emergency sound, emergency buzzer, the public will ask the bus, or they might follow the bus for the rescue. And this controller, again, this will be kept hidden. So only part will be visible to them is this will be outside, this will be inside, this will be in front of the buses, and all the switches which will be in the buses. So it's just as like you need to talk. Now I'll explain you the working as like that person, how he can use this product. See, just need to pull this switch, any switch in the bus. You just need to pull the switch. If you are pulling the switch, that will give notification here, and that will start the alarm. So I am going to do it. You can see the. Okay. Now I have muted the buzzer such that so that you can hear to my voice. So now I'll show you the exact working. Let's say I'm in trouble and I need some help. So what I'm going to do is I'll switch this light on. So see, I have pulled this switch on. Now this number indicates this LED, so driver knows where to get the help. Okay, this is the emergency light outside the bus. So if any person sees from outside, he can provide the help. This is the inside one. Any person in the bus, he'll come to know there is some emergency. And see, the complete system is if the switch is on, so the complete circuit will go for 20 seconds. Then after that, it will check whether the switch is still on or it's off. If off, then it will turn buzzer and light off. If not, it will keep on repeating itself. So for after every 20 seconds, it will check for 5 seconds, and then if it's on, it will repeat the circuit. If not, it will close the circuit. So let's just wait for 20 seconds. Okay, see, this light, it's still indicating, but the system is off. That will be off for 5 seconds, and again it got restarted. Now in another situation, let's say the switch is off, and I'll start it again, and I'll just switch it on and off. In that case, it will just read for 20 seconds and it will switch off the complete circuit. Stop. Now this is the second situation. when that person will just switch on the switch just for few seconds, as like I'm doing, and I'll switch it off. So I'm doing it, every circuit has started, I'll switch it off. See here, this LED, as soon as I'll switch it off, that will get off, but the circuit will continue for next 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, everything will get stopped. So for 20 seconds it will continue, then it will stop by itself. Yeah, now it's stop. Again, if you want to have it, you will have to switch it on. This controller has checked whether any switch is on or off. If it's on, it will repeat itself. If not, it will stop. So again, I'm doing it. Now, if it's off, it will go for 20 seconds, stop for 5 seconds, check it whether any switch is on or off, and again it will repeat. So now I'm switching off the switch. It will continue for 20 seconds and everything will stop. Yeah, nice. Okay. Here is the third situation. As like if multiple switches are on at once. So see, on every switch there is one number and it's in the serial number. So if I am switching on multiple switches, 1, 2, let's say 3, all 3 as per its number. Okay, as per its number, it's fifth. So it's fifth from here, 3, 4, 5. See, it's on the fifth number. Exactly. For others, it's third. It's written here, third. So in case of multiple switches on, it will read as if any switch is on. Here you have all the LEDs, but the circuit will work if any switch is on. But here you get all the LEDs lit for the driver for his convenience to provide the help required. If you have multiple switches, the system will not get off until you have switched off all the switches. So you need to switch off all the individual switches to switch off the system. So here, if any LED is lit here, your system will continue. So I'm switching off all the switches. So now it will go for 20 seconds, check for 5 seconds whether any switch is on or off. If all the switches are off, it will stop by itself. And for now, I have just shown you 4 switches here and extra 4 switches here, so total of 8. In actual bus, we are going to provide 16 switches, so it's just for our demonstration convenience. In the bus there will be 16 switches, and this is the first stage of the product. And next stage is we are going to add GPS and GSM system to the control system, as if any switch is on. So let's say this switch is on, so as soon as you have this on, it will create one message with your location, GPS location, and it will send you to whatever database you want to have, as like to nearest police station or your own private database from where you can provide this support. So it will send you one message with the location of the bus, position of the bus, such that if you want to provide some help, you can provide. So the next part, the next modification that will come in this product is addition of GPS and GSM. So you'll get one message with your exact location. So in case, as like if it's late night, you can provide, as like after 10 o'clock, if you are getting some message, you can directly go and provide the help. Let's say I'm a person being harassed, so all I need to do is reach to the nearest switch and switch on the switch. Then the driver will get notified, outside people will get notified, and the inside people will get notified. If I am switching this on, driver is getting notified from here, outside people are getting notified from here, inside people are getting notified by this system.